In this video, I'll show you how to set up buy one get one free discount on your WooCommerce site. Let's get started. So I recommend you to actually install this discount rules for WooCommerce, wherein you can create simple, flexible discounts, dynamic pricing, BOGO, and more. So once you have done that, head over and then just install and activate this. Once you have installed that, let's head back or scroll up until you can see in here our marketing. Now on our marketing, let's head over and click on it. And now in here, we can see our coupons. So head over and click on this add coupon right here. And then it will open our coupon editor of our WordPress. So from in here, let's save this BOGO. And then put in here a coupon data if you want. So it can be a fixed cart discount, percentage, fixed product discount as well. So it can be a fixed product discount. And you can also put in here a 50% off. And in here, a usage restriction. It can be once only, and you can also put in here a maximum. And you can also check this once and search for products that this is applicable. For example, let's add it on our pencil right here. And then you can also add more products or category restrictions and anything. Now click on this usage limits as well, and you can put in here a usage and also apply it to the cart if you want. Now from in there, click on this publish option. And now once you have published it, once someone gets one of that specific product, they should be able to get one free. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like there, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.